Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and today I've selected from my local library Rasika Flavors of India. It's a cookbook from a restaurant in Washington, D.C. I lived in D.C. for several months in 2001 or 2002, but I didn't go to this restaurant. I'm not sure what year it opened. Cookbook came out in 2017. Stories are by restaurateur Ashok Bajaj. Recipes by award-winning chef Vikram Sunderam, and the co-authored by David Hagedorn. Let's take a look at the contents. Need glasses because it kind of has a small font. Okay, contents. The history of Rasika and the rise of four-star Indian cooking. The foundation of Rasika's cooking, basic flavorings and sauces. Cocktails and mocktails, yum. Appetizers, vegetables, tandoori style grilling. Fish and seafood entrees is chapter 7. Then poultry, game and meat entrees, rice, grains and legumes, breads, and of course the chutneys chapter like every Indian cookbook has, and desserts. So introduction, and it goes on and on about how they started the restaurant and created it. And it keeps going, okay? Building a team, opening day, continuing to grow, etc. The foundation of Rasika's cooking. Tradition with a modern twist. Okay, no recipes so far. Oh, here's the ingredients you'll want to have in your pantry. Spices, of course. Cinnamon sticks, citric acid powder, cloves, cardamom, black salt, black peppercorns, black cumin seeds, chai masala. So some of these are harder to get than others. Some stuff I've never heard of. And then mustard seeds, Kashmiri chili, red chili flakes, rose syrup, nigella seeds. Whew! Okay, essential ingredients. We keep going. Let's get to a recipe. Oh, cooking oils, etc. Useful utensils. Whew! Equivalents. Okay, we made it. Basic flavorings and sauces. For example, toasted cumin powder or cumin, mace cardamom powder. I say cumin. Tamarind pulp, crispy fried onions, ginger garlic paste, caramelized onion paste, peri peri paste. Now, not a lot of pictures, but we know what sauces look like, and spices. And okay, cocktails and mocktails. The Rasika cocktail is passion fruit puree, Domaine de Canton ginger liqueur, and chilled sparkling wine. Do I have any photos? Nope. Honey spice syrup, ginger palm pisco sour, passion fruit punch, Priyanka cocktail, mango mocktail. No pictures. Okay. Hopefully we'll have some food photos pretty soon. Appetizers. Yay! Here's a recipe for pav bhaji, and some idiot put a post-it note on this book and then gave it back to the library. There, fix that for you. Aha! A food photograph finally. Okay. Masala popcorn. That sounds fun. Crispy fried spinach with tomato, onion, tamarind, and yogurt, otherwise known as palak chaat. Roasted stuffed dates with saffron, chili, beer blanc. Wow, that looks amazing. And someone put a post-it note. Good thing I'm looking through this cookbook so I can remove people's litter from this library book. Sheesh. Avocado chaat with banana. Wow. Ooh, spicy fried cauliflower florets. You know, I have cauliflower in the house right now. Maybe I should, Beet and goat cheese tiki with rhubarb chutney. Wow. Sweet potato samosa purses with cranberry chutney. That would be fun to serve on Thanksgiving. And here in Seattle, we have a lot of people from India, so I could serve it to them because I often have people from India at my Thanksgiving. Griddled eggplant and potato stacks with jaggery peanut sauce. I don't know what jaggery is, but I guess I'll find out when I go back and look through this more carefully. Potato patties with spiced yellow peas. Yum. All of these appetizers sound great, but I can't show you the whole book, so I've got to get ahead. Try to find the next chapter. Calamari, balchow. Oh, we ended up in the seafood chapter. Okay. Sea bass and banana leaf. Lamb coffee roll, but oh, there's the picture. I don't think we're in appetizers anymore. Oh, maybe we were. Okay, vegetables. Oh, I see. Ooh, pretty decoration on the page. Plantain dumplings and tomato sauce. And butternut squash barta. Okra with mango powder. Green beans, chili, and garlic. Here's kale fritters. I really don't care for kale, but if you put them in a fritter, you could tempt me. Cauliflower and peas with cumin. Green pea and paneer scramble. Yum. I love this vegetables chapter. Sauteed mushrooms and green onions. And they have the Indian name at the top. Creamed spinach. I love spinach. Jalapeno and gravy. Okay, that's where the modern twist comes in, because I'm not sure jalapenos are often on Indian food menus. Gujarati eggplant and sweet potato lasagna with Kadhi sauce. K-A-D-I. Kadhi sauce? Kadhi? I think it's Kadhi. Mixed vegetable curry with mango. Okay, I gotta skip ahead. Can't show you the whole book. Chapter 6, Tandoori Style Grilling. Don't you wish you had a tandoori oven in your house? Tandoori Style Mango Shrimp. My boyfriend would love that. He loves mangoes and shrimp. And here's another skewer thing. Kashmiri Cinnamon Salmon. Whoa, I've never heard of such a thing. We have lots of salmon here in the Pacific Northwest. And Chapter 7, Fish and Seafood Entrees. Let's look for a good picture or two. Here's Bengali Shrimp Curry. It's so hard to photograph beige food, I know. Here's Seared Rainbow Trout Malabar. Here's some kind of a stew. Oh, now we're into poultry, game, and meat entrees. And of course, there's a chicken tikka masala recipe. No photo. We all know what it looks like. Chicken green masala. There you go. Chicken pista korma. That's that. Basically green glob on a plate, but you know it would be delicious. Hard to photograph. Yeah, they did a good job. Orange duck. Naranji duck. Or Narangi duck. Smoked rack of pork vindaloo. Woo! Hopefully that's not one portion. Hopefully that's for the whole table of family. Lamb with apricots. Lamb and pineapple korma. Goat or lamb biryani. I'm not sure what the modern twist is on that. I don't have time to look because we got to get going to another chapter. Rice, grains, and legumes. Very important. Basmati rice recipe, of course. Peanut quinoa. That could be part of a tongue twister. Peanut quinoa. I'm going to say a bad word. I better be careful. Not a bad word, but breads. Of course, there's the chapati recipe. And step-by-step photos. You know I love those. And a naan recipe, of course. Goat cheese kulcha. Chutneys and condiments. Okay, there's not going to be a lot of pictures because we know what chutney looks like. Desserts. Chocolate samosas. What? That would change my life majorly. And here's a layered coconut crepe cake. Or crepe cake. I say it both ways. A tarte tatin with apples, I think. Rose ice cream, cardamom ice cream. Chocolate samosas is the first thing I'm going to look up when I get off this video. That sounds fun. Thanks for watching this cookbook look through and review. I definitely give this a good review. Very interesting. You can see more of our cookbook look-throughs on cookbookdivas.com, our blog. You can listen to us talk about cookbooks on our podcast if you care to. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram and of course on YouTube where we post cookbook review videos. If you enjoy a video that you've seen, please drop us a like and a comment. It'll teach the algorithm to show you more of our posts in the future. Thanks so much for watching.